The price of Bittorrent could be as low as $0. 2023 will be over. The cost of Bittorrent is projected to be between $0 and $0 in 2025, with the average cost of BTT being around $0. Bullish Bitcoin prices could be anywhere between $0 and $23. BitTorrent's ongoing cost is $0, a drop of 6% in the last week. Torrent's market capitalization is currently at $567,985,320, while its 24-hour value is $14,113,942, and it has dropped 1.58 points in the last 24 hours. There is a negative sentiment in the crypto market, but the long-term outlook for Bittorrent remains positive, with a likely rise to $0 by the end of 2023. In this part, we'll talk about how much Bittorrent will cost over the next few years. Bittorrent and the things that make him stand out in the crypto world. Business plan. Torrent is a great project in the digital currency space because it provides a safe way to share files. Since the launch of BTT, it has stood out to business experts because of its widely talked about symbolic group root. Although it was first used as a supplement for Bitcoin, the history of a trustworthy digital currency can be traced back to the presence of a reliable digital currency. The Tron network has a security feature called state confirmation, which is backed up by a public blockchain stage that is fast and powerful. Bittorrent has dealt with the problems of access that come with making a crossover agreement. BTT is based on cryptographic methods that rely on zero-exposure proof and numerical consistency of the full blockchain-enabled exchange, which is cross-checked without revealing any information or message to the next party involved in the transaction. This standard is different from other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions because it offers liquidity and lightning-fast exchanges on the BTT organization. It also sets up a lot of mining roads. So it wouldn't be too much of a stretch to call the ability of BTT tokens to execute real agreements and move reserves a driving force. It improves the Bitcoin system and lowers the transaction fees. It is the most well-known heterogeneous cross-chain standard in the world. And it serves as a proof-of-stake framework for scaling savvy contracts. Here are some examples of how new BTT tokens have been used. The BTT value journey has been full of surprises and interesting turns. At the moment, the Bittorrent price is around $0. With a current supply of 9,514,271 for 28,600,00 BTT and a total supply of 990,000 BTT. Bittorrent's market value is $568,419,870. And its 24-hour trade volume is $14,112,599. According to experts' expert analysis, the future looks good for BTT because of the ongoing decentralized blockchain development. If you're looking for a virtual currency with high returns, the most expensive BTT is around $0. BTT is a bad, high-risk bet for the next year. Bittorrent is free. But you may not be able to speculate as much in the future because of Justin Sunday. Bittorrent's prediction says that BTT has a bright future. According to the BTT price forecast for 2030, the symbolic price may change a lot, but bulls will come back and the price may go up to $0. Researchers say that financial backers should buy BTT because it is expected to reach its highest value of $0 by the end of 2025. However, it is very likely that the future of Bittorrent will develop, so the average cost of BTT is expected to be around $0 in 2025. Before Bittorrent prices fell, its use in different Brave activities, like Bittorrent Web, Bittorrent Exemplary, and Bittorrent Android, could make sure that its average price stays high, according to basic and technical analysis by industry experts. Bittorrent's value in 2023 is based on how much people think it will cost and how much it has cost in the past. According to the Bittorrent coin price prediction for 2023, the future price of Bittorrent will cause its value to drop slightly to $0. BTT has been getting off track about every 2 or 3 years, so it's likely that 2023 won't be a good year for Bittorrent, especially if its competitors get stronger. However, it could regain its value and cause a $0 ruckus in town again. The Torrid Value Forecast for 2024 says that a surprising possibility doesn't exist and that bulls may ride the crypto market, so it's expected that BitTor will do well. As a result of our BitTorrent price prediction for 2025, BitTorrent has gained traction in a number of industries. In 2025, the price of a BTT could be anywhere between $0 and $0. BTT should cost about $0 on average. How much will Bitcoin be worth in 2026? The BTT prediction for 2026 has started to move from pessimism to optimism. The BitTorrent cost forecast for the whole year continues to be very positive, suggesting that it could end up being worth $0. The first dollar is worth nothing. After 4 years of the market being completely unpredictable, figuring out how much BTT is worth is more of a gamble and a matter of karma than a data-driven estimate. Predicting the value of BitTorrent BTT can be interesting, but it's too early to say if BTT will continue to go down or not. What's clear is that there's still reason to be hopeful. According to BTT's cost forecast, the symbolic will continue to move in a negative direction, and the price might be around $0 in a year. The end of the year will also show some improvement. BitTorrent is expected to cost about $0 by the end of the year, which is not entirely true. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 0.2%, is the sell-off over? On Sunday, the price of Bitcoin is currently $30,325, which is a small price rise. This rise is because new Lightning Labs tools are making it possible for artificial intelligence, AI, to help with Bitcoin transactions, which is a step forward for both technology integration and digital currencies. Also, the co-founder of Volatility Shares has said that they are making a Bitcoin spot ETF, which could give investors who want to get into the Bitcoin market new ways to do so. Recent events make people wonder if the sell-off is still going on or if the market is starting to recover. The new tools from Lightning Labs make it possible to combine AI with Bitcoin. Lightning Labs, a well-known group working on the Bitcoin Lightning Network, has released a new set of development tools that make it possible for AI programmers and large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, to use Bitcoin. Lightning Labs just said that large language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT will be able to keep, receive, and send Bitcoin through the Lightning Network. This integration gives Bitcoin and AI technology more ways to be used and opens up new options.